1992 Toyota HiAce Super Custom Limited Van with a 2.8-liter diesel engine. Just over 200,000 kilometers or 126,000 miles. Imported in 2019 through JDM Cars and Motorcycles in Shoreline, Washington. Runs great. Starts right up and idles nicely. Converted into a sleeper van a few years ago, but never really used for that purpose. Bed, drawers, mattress pads, covers and curtains all custom made for this van, and it also have original rear seats in near perfect condition with attaching parts. Body straight with one shallow dent on left rear quarter panel. No rust and the paint is in good condition while the graphics are faded. Rear skylight disabled and sealed. Have had quite a bit of work done over the past several years. More information in the description down below. Subscribe and go to ToyotaRVForsale.com for more Toyota RVs.